In this video, I am going to share an interview experience of Cognizant CIS interview, and the candidate name is Subham Chaudhary, and he has given the interview in the slot of 10 to 10:45, and he was from CSE branch. And in this video, I am going to discuss all the questions and answers that were discussed in the asked in the interview, and so that you can get a update that how should you prepare for the interview. So he has dropped me a mail that he has written name Shubham Chaudhary, department CSE. Right. Department CSE, that this is a technical round, and these questions are asked. That first is tell me about yourself, about your project, that is final year project, and you should prepare well your final year project. What are the technologies used, and why you have suppose you are using MySQL somewhere, and you should be able to tell why you are using MySQL and not NoSQL. Right. So this is how you should do it preparing your final year project. And then the next question is how it work and role in your project. You should be able to tell what you have done in this project and what is your role in this project, and also you can say about your teamwork, that is leadership principles also you can say. Then an aptitude question was asked, and you should just brush up your aptitude preparation a little bit, because one aptitude question can be asked in the interview. Then next is SQL query, and if you know SQL, you should be able to write a SQL query in the interview. The next is the Java object-oriented programming concepts. So one question is asked from there. So it is very important in the interview that you know all the object-oriented programming concepts, and you should be familiar with at least one language, either C++ or Java. You should be able to write these things in the interview. The next question was, do you have any certification? If you have done any certifications or internships, you can tell it in the interview that I have done this certification or I have worked in this company as an intern. So that gives a positive impact on the interview. Which location you prefer the most and ready to relocate? You can say that you can particularly say that your location that you prefer the most, either your hometown or or any other location, or and always say that yes, if that location is not available right now, I am ready to relocate. I have no problem regarding that. Never say that I don't want to relocate and I want my location to be in hometown. That can create a negative impact on your interview. So always say I am ready to relocate. The next question is night shift. Yeah, you should say that you should are comfortable in working with night shifts. The last question was, do you have any question for us? You can simply ask a question, or you can leave that I do not have any questions to ask. So that is the interview. And if you are preparing for the interview, so just go to my channel, and I will find many interview experiences of Cognizant CIS role. You can prepare from there. Also, or and if you have already given any interview, you can send me your interview experience in the with my mail, to my mail, and I will definitely made a video so that it will help many students who are preparing for the interview. And if this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel to get more future updates.